there's another morning and it's supposed to be using the camera today, which I will be eventually, but we've had repair people in for the boiler over there. And yeah, which we didn't know about until 10 to 9 this morning, and I was still fast asleep. And a thing happened last night, which I'll explain later. But yeah, it is now like almost 12, and we've actually been invited out by said repairman for lunch, breakfast. Breakfast.
Slash lunch.
Brunch. Yeah. Hence why I'm using my phone to be quick about it. Yeah, Mama, how do you feel about being invited out for lunch by the repairman?
I think it's quite nice.
I think it's quite nice. And then how do you feel about getting invited out by the repairman?
Alright.
I think it's very polite.
It's very polite because he's really nice. But the only downfall is we need Google Translate because he doesn't speak English.
Yeah.
Like at all.
I said English by accident.
Like at all. So yeah, no, quickly doing this on the phone because I don't want to be pulling my camera out in front of him, basically, because some people are a bit iffy in front of cameras. Phones are a bit alright, but cameras are a bit iffy. But oh well. Let's rapido. Right, back to the apartment, back with this camera. We had breakfast with our new friend Angel, or Angel, or however the heck you pronounce it.
It's spelled as Angel.
It's spelled Angel, and basically he's like the caretaker slash janitor of this apartment block, and that's why he's very friendly with the owner of this said apartment. And he paid for our breakfast. It was so kind of him. And the breakfast, it was nice, but I wouldn't be able to handle more of them because I'm not a big fan of like fried food, such as like fried fish and what have you, or deep fried rather. I'm not a big fan of like deep fried food, so that's why I can never have like the good old classic like British fish and chips, because I don't like the deep fried fish. Like, I'm not a big fan of it. What's that stuff called? Batter. I'm not a big fan of like the fried batter. Which Cheetos, which that's what they are. They're like fried batter, but these are proper Spanish Cheetos. Like the ones I know. I showed him which ones I know, and he was saying how they're similar, but they're not exactly the same. As well as that drinking chocolate, it was so thick, wasn't it? Yeah, so my mother's like heavily lactose intolerant, so she couldn't have any of it. My sister she has lactose intolerance, but it's not as bad, so she could drink through it. Not as much as you couldn't handle a full cup though, could you? No, she couldn't handle a full cup. But me and my new friend, the Angel, but then we had our full cups. Yeah, no, so then it was very nice of him. I think he felt bad for like waking us up so early. Yeah, waking her and my mother up early, because I can sleep through anything. So yeah, plus where is it? Is this side? Ooh, sunburn is still there. It's like still heavily there. My arm isn't too bad. This camera can't pick it up very well. I do need to buy myself a new camera. I do realise that. But yeah, no. Then we're gonna go down to the beach today. We're going to go to El Palo Beach, and we were saying to our new amigo. That we want to come back to Spain eventually, maybe even come back to this exact part of Spain. So we want to learn Spanish. We might not come back for another like year or two, maybe 2-3 years because we want to travel. Like I want to travel especially. So yes, but hey mama, come and talk about our new amigo Angel. He's very kind, really.
He was a very nice gentleman and he treated us to breakfast. The kids had hot chocolate, well, a cup of chocolate.
Yes,
with
drinking
chorizos.
Chorizos.
Yeah, very nice.
He's very kind.
Very kind.
He's very kind.
Asked if we needed any help.
Oh yeah, no.
Message him.
Yes. He gave us his number. I don't know how the heck we're going to talk to him, but he gave us his number. And I can just about hold this camera up because my arms are killing me from yesterday. But yeah, we are going to go down to El Palo. And I was saying how we want to come back to Spain eventually, so hence why we want to learn a bit of Spanish to actually talk.
Yes, we need to learn.
We do need to learn.
We need to learn little bits of the language of the country we're going to.
Yeah.
Even though Google Translate is doing a
Google,
good job.
Google Translate is doing alright actually, but
Yeah.
no, it would definitely be a bit nicer if we learned. Like I'm picking up as in what they're saying to me. I just don't know how to reply back.
Yeah.
Like that's the thing. Yeah. Like he's telling me about how how Spanish people are small and like I'm very tall for Spain, and how he's going over to Germany to talk to his son and he wants to be able to learn English for when he's over there and so on and so forth. He's a very kind bloke, very nice. But yeah, we're going to the beach, so let's get ready. Forgetting bloody bags. Ay. Where I should have took the lift. Fine. Whoop. Right. Black bag. Black bag. Where the hell is the black bag? This black bag. Sweet Christ. This family. They forget their heads. It wasn't screwed on so tight. That's an old British phrase, by the way. I think. Pretty sure, anyway. Those two have left me. I was doing the exercises, even though my arm is killing me from those Lyme yesterday, because my arm was just constantly up, and actually it's probably the sunburn, because my right arm is actually perfectly fine, but yeah, they left me and now my shoes are going ugh. But yeah, there's a new Pokemon out as well, which I'm trying to get, but the only way of getting it is by using the camera but the camera add-on for Pokemon Go, and oh my god, it uses so much battery. So much battery. What's the chances of that family being British as well, because they're the only people I see in the water so far. Alright, we're back to the iPhone because I'm in the water. Oh, and it is not warm. Like, I don't feel the cold. Like, honestly, I don't. But it is not warm.
It was warmer on Monday.
It was warmer Monday, was it?
Also, Sunday, can't remember which day.
Sunday. It's Tuesday today, so Sunday. But yeah, no, it is not warm. The thing is, it's like, what time is it? Coming up to 2, I think. So the sun is setting, so it is not warm. But it's not freezing cold. But hell no for swimming. I can tell you that. I'm not bloody swimming in this. Oof. I didn't think I was going to get this wet. I'm drenched. I'm absolutely drenched. I'm wearing 3/4 because I was like, oh, I'm only going to get my feet wet, and I go put it out. I'm drenched. But the best thing is, you dry off well quick out here. Way quick. I've got salt rings from wringing out my t-shirt. I'm literal dripping wet, like. Right, so I'm about to tell you something I really shouldn't, but hey ho, content is content. I didn't bring a spare pair of anything to this beach. Literally anything. That's including underwear. So, so I am currently wearing a pair of woman's short shorts as underwear. And oh my god, before I put my 3/4 back on, it was damn breezy. Let me tell you that. It looks so odd, doesn't it?
Oh, no, not really. Stop you doing it anymore.
Yeah, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do the snobby way of like tying my jumper, even though it's a hoodie, to stop my damn neck from burning up. Because I tried to keep my right side towards the sun as much as possible, but it just didn't happen. Shop back, come on! And now we're going to try and find a restaurant that stays open until 5. It's definitely going to be easier said than done. The adventure still continues, and I'm still wearing my jacket like a snob. Though, I am taking pictures of stone balancing. It's just oops. There was just a few there, and I was like, oh well, I'm gonna have a picture of that, and so I have. But now I need to try and find them. Right, so we finally found it, and we got asked. Yes. Go on then. I can wash it down. We got asked about drinks, and it was like wine, beer, and I was like, oh, I'll go with beer then. Completely forgetting. I don't like wine either. Completely forgetting I don't like beer. Well, I didn't forget. It's just the point of. Oh yeah, your nice little orange juice. No, pineapple juice.
Pineapple shot.
It's very nice. You should keep that. But
Right, so we're gonna go with.
yeah, I kind of smell like garlic bread somewhere. I think I smell garlic butter somewhere. That could be it, yeah. And plus my phone is getting scorching.
Oh, you're in my tea.
They're a little black. Little black. Right. At the sardines, we're on to the little squid. It's a baby squid, I'm assuming. And a bit of chip and egg for me. She didn't knock my camera off, so it's dying on me, so I gotta be quick and use my phone from now on and charge my camera up tonight. But me and Mama here, me and Mamo who's are sitting right next to it. Oh no, it's died on me! Oh no. There we go. It's died on me. But a bit of Pokemon Go. Hopefully, if Mother looks up Pokemon Go El Palo, see if anyone is doing this raid behind us. So, well. But yeah, camera's dead now. Great. Charge that as soon as I get back. Alright, we're trying to get to the sunset and I only see a little bit of yellow left, so we probably missed it. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, no, we totally missed it, but it still looks nice with the mountains behind it. But we totally missed it. Ah well, like I said, if I get enough love, I'll make an Instagram and you can see this in a better look. Because video only does so much. Photos definitely 100% better. There's literally no reason for people to be unfit when they live in Spain. Let's try it. Oh.
That's my fault, I fell off.
Oh.
We're going. We're trying a game.
Oh, I was so close to get into the top.
You were actually, because
I was so close. No. No.
I can't balance.
Oh. Oh.
That
Oh.
was funny.
Woman overboard. I'll cook after
Unfortunate event.
after an episode of Unfortunate Events, is it?
Yeah, no,
For
at
us
the
to get
moment I'm,
hungry.
like, stuffed.
Where you stuffed is a ma.
I'm still stuffed from our
What about you, Shop?
sardines,
Oh, my Christ.
calamari.
Aye. We're still
I-
stuffed from that.
I'm stuffed of olives.
Olives, aye, wine covered olives. Oh, the water feature's finally on, Matt. The water feature. The fountain. It's never been on during the day.
Ah, no matter how much brightness you try and turn it up to, it not do the work.
And it's over.
He walked past, he's always
We
just off.
missed it.
No, it was on this morning.
I haven't seen it, otherwise I would have said
Yeah, I
something.
didn't see it on this morning.
Here it was.
Oh, yeah, don't
Are they? No, it's too. No, it
No,
just.
we would have used that.
Yeah. So, just a little backstory before this video ends. Angel, what we classed as the repairman, to then get classed as the janitor / caretaker of the building, is actually the host's father. Google Translate turned it into like he's a friend. No, his son is a friend of the owner of the apartment, when it's actually the owner of the apartment is actually his son. So yeah, our amigo for life, as I'm gonna call him from now on, is actually the father of the host of said Airbnb that we were using. We think he's still the caretaker of the flats or apartments, but he's also the father. So yeah. But oh well, now to the outro. Okie dokie. I'm gonna end this on my phone, as I've recorded quite a bit of today on my phone. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty much it for today. But tomorrow, I think we are. But tomorrow, as far as I know, we're going back into Port Home, which means we're probably scoring it, which means I'm probably going to get more of a burn. But yeah, we should be going up on a mountain walk tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But yeah, tonight it's finally over. It's like 12:30. We finished another episode of Unfortunate Events. And my poor mother slept through pretty much all of it. And then you've got my sister screaming at her to shut up because my mother snores rather loudly. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. But I don't want to say thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another video.